Hi! Wow, you look so beautiful! Where you were going? You have party?
Today I'm going home.
She's going home, guys. So today is her flight going to airport lang naman. Hindi naman tayo magbabarko pa uwi sa Myanmar. Meron ba? Doon ka tumingin doon ang camera. So, I met Catherine. Later on, I will do the Catwoman. Her name is Cat. I will be the acting Catwoman later. So excited ka na ba, Phyu? You're excited. Are you excited? Can you kiss your mom over there? Kiss the lips. No na. Let's wait. We'll reach airport in a few minutes. Saan ba yun? What are you doing? Make it fast, okay? Where are you going?
I'm going to Myanmar.
Yeah, Myanmar. She's from Myanmar. Myanmar. Hey! Hello, mga friends. So now, check-in time is 5:30. This flight is brought to you by Gulf Air. Mabilis ang lipad. Yala, make it fast. Uy, Kuwait Airways to ah. Oh, wait. Gulf Air, Kuwait Airways. Hey. Kuwait Airways. Yes po. Ayan. Bakit naman binabalot yung mga yan? Paki-explain, ate. Ate, tato. Bakit naman binabalot ng ganyan yung mga luggages? Okay, explain mo naman para may impormasyon yung mga ibang tao. Ayan o. Tapos nang pagbabalot-balot na ganyan. Para hindi mabasag yung itlog sa loob. Maitlog dyan. Maging pulang itlog yung manok. Nasa loob. Pagdating ng Myanmar, binubutasan. Para makahinga. May air circulation. Pagdating ng Myanmar, yung itlog, manok na. Yung sisiw, guys, ano na siya? Pangsahabong na. Sa sobrang layo ng Myanmar, makakarating po siya bukas ng mga bandang alas 5 Kuwait time. So, hindi rin biro, no? Medyo malayo-layo rin.
Dererong pala yung ginawa natin.
Anyways, let's go, guys. Carry my luggage.
I don't make it nung ako'y
Carry my luggage fast, please. I'm already late from my flight. So again, this flight is brought to you by Gulf Air. Gulf Kuwait Airways. Ingat sa biyahe, have a safe flight. Bon voyage, Sophia. So may operation 101. Na-over luggage lang naman siya. Ay, sige, halong ka. Halong ka yung mga panty na dyan. Yeah. Sige pa, halong ka. So ito, tingnan natin kung anong laman. Kung nandiyan ba yung pulang manok sa loob. So guys, this is the hardest part. She will say goodbye na. See you in a month, don't you worry. Don't forget na pasalubong, ha? I will miss you, Phyu. Look at the camera. But I will tell to my friend out there in forever. What's your message? Maybe they are watching ba then?
I will miss you guys. Okay. See you next month.
No more doing go back, okay? No more girgir Phyu. We are so happy. Sa walala, Catherine. Sa walala.
Yeah.
Yes. So, Thank you and take care. Enjoy being with your family. I don't have any more message because I didn't think my brain is eating by you. We have some struggles, but anyways, she's ready to go. Pupunta na siya dun sa may immigration. Pupunta na siya sa may immigration. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. See you in Myanmar. Bye. I love you all.